So I think this is the 8th year that I have made this exact same video. This is my annual Black Friday deals video specifically tailored to everything and anything 3D printing related. And I think I'm gonna be covering more deals than I've ever covered in previous videos. And as usual, I'll have timestamps listed down below. And jumping right in, the first one that we're gonna take a look at is Matterhackers, and they have a ton of things for sale as they usually do for their Black Friday specials. First of all, at checkout, make sure that you're using the code BESTDEALS to get the best price possible for some of the things that we're talking about here. And there's even a special code, Uncle Jesse, that you can use at checkout if you're purchasing any of their Matterhackers Pro PLA or their Carbon Fiber Nylon X to save an extra 5% off your order. And as expected, there are a bunch of different 3D printer deals that you can find across their website, including the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, where you can save between $200 and $250 on some of their bundles. They also have $50 to $100 off the P1S bundles. They're also taking $220 off the Creality K1 Max, between $250 to $400 off the Creality K2 Plus printers, and $150 off the K1C. They also have a bunch of different Elegoo Neptune 4 3D printers that are currently on sale. And I think one of the more popular deals that Matterhackers is going to be running is on the LDO Voron kits that are going to be 15% off. The 2.4 R2 kit and the V0.2 R1 kit. That's a mouthful for me to say. They also have $500 off their Glowforge laser cutters. There's 15% off almost everything slice engineering related, 25% off Magigoo, which is a fantastic adhesive for your build plates, and there are a ton of different filament sales that they have ranging from 20 to 30% off. And again, make sure that you apply the code Uncle Jesse at checkout if you pick up some of their Pro PLA or that Carbon Fiber Nylon X filament. And last but not least, they have 20% off their Protopasta filaments. Now switching gears to Anycubic, they're running a Black Friday deal over on their website as well as Amazon. You can find the Cobra 3 for $249. They have the Cobra 3 combination, which is allowing you to print in multi-colors. That's gonna be $379. They have the Mono X6KS for $200. That's a fairly large resin 3D printer for a really good price. And they're also doing a massive bulk deal on their filaments and resins. And again, you can find even more deals over on Amazon. My friends over at Elegoo are also in the mix here with Black Friday. They currently have a promotion up and running right now where they've got the Neptune 3 Plus for $230, the Mars 4 Ultra for $190. Again, a great starter resin 3D printer. And they have the Jupiter SE, which is that really large resin 3D printer, currently for $640. That's a crazy deal. Elegoo's also running a bunch of bulk sales on their filaments and resins and would really recommend a bunch of their filaments if you haven't tried them out already. They work fantastic on a bunch of different machines, including the Bambu Lab AMS units. Next up, Creality's running a bunch of sales. They've got the K1 for $369, the K1C for $449, and the K1 Max for $679. And again, for a bunch of these, you'll want to make sure that you're cross-checking their website as well as Amazon to find the best possible deal and shipping times between where you want to purchase these from. Now, I did reach out to Bambu Lab to see if they were going to be running any sort of surprise sales, and they said, no, we're not, sadly. But if you haven't already seen, they're running their big fall Black Friday sale currently on their website, where you can find discounts on the X1 Carbon, the P1S series or the P1 series, as well as the A1 series, the A1 and the A1 Mini, which are both excellent first starter 3D printers for anybody out there that's just getting started. They also have a bunch of their accessories on sale and their filaments are on sale as well. Now, if I could only get my hands on their new super cool tack plate, that thing's constantly sold out. Phrozen, the makers of some amazing resin 3D printers, are running a site-wide 15% off sale. Plus, they also have an exclusive code that I'm sharing with you all here for an extra 15% off your order with the code BF15UJ. Also, soon I'll be showing off the Phrozen Mega 8K along with their huge wash and cure station. This thing is larger than any other wash and cure station that I've ever seen. Really excited about that. QIDI's also getting in the mix with some Black Friday deals. They have the new Plus 4 on sale for $799. They also have an exclusive code as well. If you use the code Uncle Jesse in all upper caps there, you'll save an extra $50 off the Plus 4. They also have the Q1 Pro for $399 and the Plus 3 for $499, and they have the Max 3 for $699. And again, make make sure you double check their website as well as Amazon to make sure that you're getting the best price possible for these printers. Now, my friends over at Peopoly have a great sale going on their Peopoly Magneto X 3D printer. They've got, for a limited time, for that day, Black Friday only, they're gonna have the printer on sale for $1,199, plus you get a free enclosure. And again, that's just on Black Friday if you're interested in one of those printers. They're also running bulk discounts on their carbon fiber filament for both PLA and PETG. Also, if you have been eyeing the Peopoly Phenom XXL V2, that is gonna be on sale. They're taking off $1,400, and it is still really expensive, but that is easily the largest resin 3D printer that I think I have ever seen. It's a beast, an absolute beast that could 3D print just huge things. Sovol is also going to be specifically running on Black Friday a flash sale on their SV08 for $519. And again, that's only on Black Friday. They have on that Saturday, the day after, they have filament bundles for both PLA and PETG. They're gonna be starting at $89 for these huge bulk orders of filament. That's one that I'm probably gonna be jumping on myself. You can also find the SV04 for $259, the SV06 for $179, and the SV06 Ace for $269. Now, if you saw my recent airless basketball video where I was 3D printing with BIQU's new PLA HR filament, they also are running some crazy deals over on their website. With the code BF8, you can get 8% off your orders over $100, BF12 for 12% off of $250 orders, or BF15 for 15% off any $400 orders, and they have a whole bunch of different free gifts. Not to mention their PLA HR filament is on sale. Make sure to double check that on Amazon as well. But the other thing that I'm really excited about is their new cryo build plates. These things are amazing for printing with PLA or PETG directly on them. And I don't know why this is so dirty here, but these work fantastic. This is specifically for the Bambu Lab 3D printer, this build plate here, and it works amazing. And I think these build plates are even cheaper directly over on Amazon, so definitely double check that. But they have a bunch of their different accessories for the Bambu Lab 3D printers, as well as other 3D printers that are on sale over on their website. Worth checking out in my opinion. Now, honestly, I think this next one is pretty impressive. This comes from the folks over at Prusa that typically do their free shipping during Black Friday. Over, I think it's $200, you get free shipping with some exceptions in there. However, for the first time, or as far as I know, they're running an actual discount on the MK4S, the assembled version as well as the kit, where you can get that at a discounted price. But there's also a bunch of different add-ons that are coming with that as well. You're getting a free roll of the Prusa Galaxy Red PLA. It also, if you buy the assembled version of the MK4S, you're gonna get a $150 voucher that's gonna go towards the Core 1, which is their new Core XY 3D printer that you can actually upgrade the MK4S to. Or if you get the kit version, you'll get a voucher for $100, again, towards the Core 1 upgrade. They're also running some huge deals, pun intended, on their Prusa XL, which is that large format FDM 3D printer that has multiple tool heads, allowing you to print in multiple colors or with multi-materials. And that's gonna come with a 2 kilogram roll of Prusa PETG. And speaking of Prusa, the folks over at PrintedSolid, which are owned by Prusa, are running very similar deals on the MK4 as well as the XL, along with those vouchers that you can get for the upgrade to the Core 1. However, the big thing that I'm excited about over at PrintedSolid is that they're going to be running their filament sales on their Jessie PLA and their PETG for $16, or their Elixir, which is that really vibrant silk PLA, for $20. They're also selling 3D Gloop for 20% off. They have E3D products for 20% off, LDO motor stuff, Duet 3D, and Bondtech all for 20% off. And they also have the PrintedSolid enclosures for $50 off. And the folks at 3D Gloop are also running some deals where if you buy 2 bottles of the 120mm Gloop, you get a free beaker mug, or if you buy any 3 bottles, you get a beaker mug or a t-shirt. And make sure you use the code T at checkout. One of you add the t-shirt into your cart to make sure that you get that deal. It's either the mug or the t-shirt. Just make sure you use that code. It's one or the other there. And they also have orders over $100 are gonna have free shipping. I love some 3D Gloop. And one new company that I'm adding to the mix here is CoPrint, which allows you to add on the ability to print in multiple colors on pretty much any 3D printer, is also running some Black Friday deals. Over on their shop, you can find between 20 to 50% off their different products. And if you use the code Uncle Jesse at checkout, you'll save an extra 10% off your order. Now, have you seen that tiny 3D printer that prints upside down? Yeah, that's the Positron, and it's currently on sale over at west3d.com for 20% off here on Black Friday. Now, I bought one of those earlier this year and I still need to get mine assembled, and I'm very excited to check it out. It's just this tiny upside down 3D printer that you can carry in a case or ship around or just bring around with you. CookieCad, who just happens to make some of my absolute favorite colors of filament, are also running a Black Friday sale all weekend, where if you buy 3 rolls of filament, you get the 4th one free. And they let me know that their products are now on Amazon and are gonna be running promotions throughout the weekend. So make sure to check that out if you're interested in some just vibrant, amazing looking filament options. My friends over at Zyltech are also running a filament sale this weekend where you can get 15% off your orders and free shipping over $75 with the code BF24. Now, if you have an Elegoo Orange Storm Giga or any other large 3D printer and need huge spools of filament, Zyltech is a fantastic option for just massive spools of filament. Also, they let me know that their Uncle Jesse gunmetal PLA that I have been working with them on for ages now is soon to be officially made directly here in the US. Excited about that. Now, I think Polymaker might be running one of the biggest filament sales for Black Friday, where you can save 30% off of their different filaments, and they have some just incredible options when it comes to variety of colors that they offer. What's even crazier is that that 30% off is even being applied to filaments that are already currently on sale. And make sure at checkout that you're using the code Black Friday 2024 to get those deals. Sunlu also reached out and let me know that they're running a bunch of different bulk sales on their filaments as well as their resins, and I know how popular their resins can be. So if you're looking to save some money, definitely jump in on that. And they're gonna be also running some promotions over on Amazon. Yeah, I know I'm not supposed to be smelling filament, but the SliceWorx PLA just smells so good. I think they said it's like mixed in with vanilla bean essential oils or something. I don't know, but it prints really well and they have some great looking colors. They're also running some deals over on their site, and they're also running a $1 merch deal where if you spend over $100 on anything on their site, you can get a piece of merch for $1. EIBOS is also in on the action here with all of their different filament dryers. They're gonna be running up to, I think they said 37% off of their different filament dryer options. So if you're in the market for a filament dryer, definitely check out what EIBOS has to offer. So you all probably know how much of a sucker I am for everything Whambam related, including their slap mats. Yeah, they have everything site-wide is 25% off. And if you watched my most recent video on the 3D printable basketballs, you'll know that I talked about their new carbon fiber build plates, which released that TPU-like material with ease without like literally sticking at all. You just peel it right off. Zero hassle. But they also have a bunch of new resin supplies that you can pick up from their site as well. Oh, one other great one from Whambam is their hot box. I feel like that's like a really undervalued option for anybody running resin 3D printers, or maybe you have a P1P and you want to print with the enclosure, but you don't want to like fully buy out the enclosure from Bambu. You can get one of these hot boxes and they work incredibly well. And if you've seen anyone with those really cool custom etched build plates, yeah, that's from EmberPrototypes. That's also going to be running a promotion over on their site for a bunch of the different products that they offer. That also includes some of the resin toolkits, which I personally own and love using. Also, a video that you'll hopefully be seeing from me here at some point in the very near future is working with DepositionSound, which is allowing you to 3D print your own kit speakers. So like computer speakers or desk speakers, you can 3D print them and they have the wiring and all the speaker parts that go in them. Yeah, they're running a Black Friday sale as well. You can get 11% off site-wide with the code CRANKED211. And did you happen to see that huge Spawn 3D printed comic book cover that I made? Yeah, that was all made using Hueforge, and they're running a promotion for Black Friday on the Hueforge app. You're gonna be able to get 20% off of the software, plus they also have some Polymaker coupons that you'll potentially get with your orders. Now, Lychee Slicer might be one of the best resin 3D printing slicers that are out there, and they also have an FDM slicer option that's included as part of their licensing options. Now, they're running a Black Friday promotion for 25% off for the Slicer Plus and for their Slicer Library, which allows you to get access to a ton of different pre-supported files for your resin 3D printing needs. Make sure that you're using at checkout BF Yearly 25 or BF Monthly 25 at checkout to get those deals. And speaking of resin 3D printing slicers, Chitubox is also running a promotion. They're doing 50% off of their Pro licensing. I think that's for the whole year, and that includes their new V2 software licensing. Here's a really cool one that I actually purchased and have started going through the process of learning, and that's Fusion 360 as well as ZBrush, thanks to Printable Accessories. They're running a 40% off sale on those classes specifically through this weekend with the code Uncle Jesse 40_Friday. Also stay tuned because you'll hopefully be seeing me doing some more ZBrush videos here in the very near future, thanks to some of those classes that I've been taking from that program that I bought earlier this year. All right, you guys all probably know CNC Kitchen, and you need to help him out because he quit his job to do YouTube full time like a fool. So help support him by going to his shop where he's running 10% off site-wide, and he offers a bunch of different cool 3D printed things like threaded inserts or soldering tips or deburring tools specifically made with little tool heads for cleaning off your 3D prints. And he also offers nozzles as well as nozzle cleaning tools that I believe were produced with the help of Repkord. Yeah, that was supposed to be a transition there to Repkord and his deals that he's offering on his website, where he has a whole bunch of sales. I think it's like an extra 20% off everything that he already has for sale on the site. There's like a whole deals section there, but what's really crazy about this is that he has some pre-owned Prusa MK3S 3D printers for sale for what appears to be pretty dang cheap. You can't have 3D printing without 3D printing files, and for me, that's a lot of nerdy things that I'm interested in, so there's a bunch of different deals that are out there around 3D printable files. Do 3D is running a sale right now where they're gonna do 50% off their entire store with the code BF50. My buddy Nikko over at Nikko Industries, which is now, I think, Nikko Memberships, which is a membership site where you get access to an absolute insane amount of 3D printable files, is running a 35% off sale on your first month or first subscription of his particular site. So it's either monthly, quarterly, annually, whatever the options are, using the code BF2024. BF 2024. Now, Yosh Studios, which you've probably seen me printing a bunch of their stuff in my videos as well, is running a sale over on their file website where they're running 25% off of their files. And if you are interested in joining their Patreon, they also have a deal for that, where you can get 20% off of your first month's membership using the code YOSH20. 3D Printed Props is also running a huge file sale with 60% off his entire set of 3D printable files, including the armor sets. Crazy deal. And Galactic Armory, who creates these amazing Star Wars and Halo related files, is running a sale on their files on their site where you can get 50% off all weekend. And normally when I'm recording in my usual studio, there's a large Captain America metal shield behind me. Yeah, that's from Comic Book Sandwiches, and they're also running a Black Friday sale this weekend. They have 12% off site-wide with the code BlackFriday24. Now this next one isn't exactly 3D printing related, however, you're gonna be seeing me using these a good bit more as I'm delving into the world of VR 3D modeling, and that is these Annapro head straps for both the Apple Vision Pro and the Quest 3 or the new Quest 3S or Quest 3 Lite, whatever that's called. These are wildly comfortable compared to the default head straps that are offered by both of these VR, AR headsets. So if you're interested in these, I'll have links to them down below. They're on sale currently on Amazon, and they're just honestly amazing and so much more comfortable than the default head straps. Now, as usual, if you find any other good deals, make sure you leave a comment down below as to what that is so other people can find out about those sales that might be going on that I did not mention in this video. I also want to say a big thank you to all my Patreon supporters for the continued support of me making content here on the interwebs. If you're interested in things like my 3D printer settings, you can find those over my Patreon. And I previously mentioned that any donations or super likes that I receive on the channel from now through the end of December are going to my son's middle school to help support some of the students that can't afford to go on their spring trip to Washington, D.C., and I'll be personally matching any donations that I receive. And I hope you have a great Turkey Day with your family and find all those 3D printing deals that you've been hunting for. Hey, thanks so much for watching, you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Now to try and quickly edit this, and get to bed at a reasonable hour. This usually takes me so long to compile all of those deals and edit together, but it is so much fun doing these every year. Thanks for watching.